This is the start of 1981, the purchase of British Sugar's factory at Ealing, Cambridgeshire. This building was the size of a cathedral. You can see sugar making equipment being extracted through the roof. It was going to be transferred to another factory. As you can see, it's a huge building, 4 floors. This store will hold 12,000 tonnes of bulk wheat when the concrete walls have been built and a new floor installed. We move on to unloading material for the army using a travel lift, came in by rail. This is the movement of soda ash, which goes into making of glass. You can see the rail trucks coming over the unloading hopper at the warehouse. The trains, this is a new train of material arriving. It'll be 38 trucks carrying 1,000 tonnes of soda ash. We've now moved to the area where we're clearing it to create a new unloading system for aggregates. Comes from the Peak District for RMC, ready mix concrete. And this is the start of construction of the pits where the material comes in. It's quite a heavy operation. Each rail truck carries is a gross weight of 100 tonnes. This is the start of the conveyor system. Very substantial structure. That is the tarmac plant that's being built in the background to which are going to use all of these materials that come in by rail as raw materials. It's a huge location. You can see it's not a small operation. That building in the foreground is standing 120 feet tall, as high as nearly as Ely Cathedral, which is just 2 miles away. This is the concrete bays being constructed for the storage of various grades of material. This is the construction of the hoppers where the rail tracks are going to run and be discharged onto the conveyor belts. This is one of the conveyor belts being tried out for the first time. It's running at 1,000 tonnes an hour, and the material is dropped into bays. This is the arrival of a barge carrying 120 tonnes of fertiliser. This is in some area which we wanted to prove you had road, rail and water potential.